All right, this is question 3b. Again, we're adding and subtracting rational expressions. Our first step is always to get a common denominator. And so we're going to look and see if we can factor the bottoms. If we can factor the bottoms, then maybe we can see things that they have in common and we won't have to make such a mess of it. So the fraction on the left, we can factor out a 5. So it will become 2. And then on the bottom it will be 5x minus 3. The fraction on the left, we can divide both of these by 2. So it becomes 2x minus 3 all over, or all below 3. Now we notice here again, the 5 and the 2 are outside the brackets, and we need to make that number the same. But notice that inside the brackets we have x minus 3, so that is a factor that is in common. So that saves us some trouble. 5 and 2, we need to make that the lowest common denominator possible, and that lowest common denominator would be 10. So we're going to multiply the fraction on the left by 2, because 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So the bottom denominator, or the denominator, will become 10x minus 3. Over here, we have a 2, and we need to make that a 10, so we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by 5. Put a little multiplication dot there. 5 times 2 is 10, so we have a common denominator there. Once we have a common denominator, we can write it as just one big fraction. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 5 times 3 is 15. Now, we combine like terms, or in this case, we just simply add. So 4 plus 15 is 19. So this becomes 19 over 10x minus 3, and that is our final answer. We then need to look at our lowest, or our non-permissible values, and state them. Here at the bottom, we have an x minus 3, so the non-permissible value is going to be positive 3. Our answer is there. All done. All done.